How you feeling, Nilofer?
Nervous but excited. At Grace this summer, I have been spending a lot of time working on different supply chain tasks. I'm interning with the supply chain team, and I'm working on a global project that's going to be helping a lot of the different departments such as sales, supply chain, marketing, and finance.
My internship is with the process technology team at our Curtis Bay location. I help monitor equipment performance at the plant while also maintaining and documenting our equipment data in order to ensure that our day-to-day operations are running smoothly while also minimizing any possible delays or any downtime.
I'm working with the Environmental Health and Safety group. I'm going into R&D labs and documenting similarities to increase overall safety. I am working with the R&D supervisors, but I also do have a desk job where I analyze a lot of safety data.
This experience has helped me visualize what a path down the supply chain route would look like, and also helped me understand what type of task that I would be working on.
This internship has given me a much clearer picture of what it's like to work in a real-world industrial setting. It's enabled me to use my technical skills in a way that actually helps support operations, which is something you don't often get in a classroom environment.
First thing I noticed when I came to Grace was I, as an intern, am being treated the same exact way as someone who worked here for 30 years. My team is amazing. It's very obvious that they want me to succeed in life, but even outside my team, I've talked to a lot of people who have given me great career advice.
The culture at Grace is honestly one of the best parts about working here. The people here are so kind and so supportive and always willing to help. I felt comfortable contributing my own ideas and asking questions.
I have been able to bring what I've been learning in the classroom into the workforce, which has been really important and valuable experience for me. I feel like I can ask a lot of questions towards the people on my team, and they'll always be open to helping make sure that my experience here at Grace is great.
I enjoy working with my team. They're very kind and very supportive. I've also gotten to know the other interns. We have lunch together, and it's really fun connecting with people who are going through a similar experience.
I've enjoyed the professional development opportunities that have been given to us, being able to meet different interns that have various backgrounds, and being able to also immerse myself into an environment where I can learn more about supply chain.
I'd recommend Grace to future interns without a doubt. It's a great place to get exposure to real-world work and see how things operate. You get to talk with a group of experienced professionals, ask questions, and you have such a supportive team.
I've had an amazing experience. I've made so many new friends, and I really do enjoy going into work every day.
I feel like it has a very welcoming environment, and you can gain a lot of experiences and opportunities through this internship.
If you're looking for an internship where you can grow your skills and contribute in meaningful ways, Grace is where you want to be.